Hi, it's Melanie Moore here, and firstly, I want to wish you an incredible new year. I hope that 2025 brings you all the things that you desire, all the things that you've been manifesting, everything that you've been tapping on with me this year, that 2025 is the year that it all manifests for you. And also, I just want to thank you for all your support, your comments, your well wishes, and for tapping along with me this year. And I know many of you have been tapping with me for a long time. But also, if you're brand new to me, welcome. Hello, my name's Melanie Moore. I'm also known as a Big Vision Coach, and I love to help my clients to tap into their big vision. So New Year is always a wonderful time to really have a sit down and think about our intentions for the year ahead, what we want to manifest. So in a minute, I'm going to be doing a round of tapping to help you to tap into your best year ever. I'm also going to be incorporating a bit of letting go, releasing some of the past, releasing some of last year, or however far back you want to go. But really, our focus is on 2025, on growth, on positive expectation, on health, on happiness, and really calling in all the things that you desire. And maybe this is the year of big transformation for you. Maybe you just have this sense that there's big changes afoot, big positive changes. There may be the sense of the unknown, that you don't quite know how this is going to unfold. And that may bring with it its own anxieties and fears and worries. So I'm going to be tapping into all of that as well, helping you to clear some of those fears and worries of the unknown, but also tapping into big, bold changes. So we'll be doing that in a minute. But before I do that, I also want to take this opportunity to invite you to come and join my Tapping into Your Big Vision members community. So let me just share with you for a moment who this is for. This is a community of mostly, not all, but mostly women who are on a journey of growth, of change, women who are perhaps at crossroads in their life, who are looking to really find and deepen their sense of self and to manifest some really big changes in their lives. I love to support women who are on this journey, and perhaps you've got the entrepreneurial spark that you want to maybe create a business of some kind, or monetize your gifts and your skills and your talents. And maybe this is the time that you are ready to embrace these big changes. You've probably got family members who you are supporting, maybe children, or maybe even like me, you've got teenagers and you've got elderly parents as well. So there are a lot of people who have, demands on your time. So there's a lot of people to please in your life as well. So if you're that person who is literally feels like they're spinning in the hamster wheel at times, but you know that there's stuff that you want to do just for you, then this could be the community for you. So all the details are in the description below. If this feels like you, if you're looking for spiritual practices plus practical wisdom and all sorts of tools and resources by form of tapping resources, mindset tips and techniques, and plus we have twice monthly Zoom coaching with me as well. If that sounds like something that you could benefit from, I would love to invite you on board. So as I said, all the details are below. Anyway, without further ado, let's tap into our most spectacular year ever. But let's do some clearing first. Even though I'm ready to clear away everything from 2024 and start the slate clean, I'm expressing gratitude for all the lessons I've learned, for the challenges as well as the gifts. And I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though this past year has brought about a lot of growth and learning, I'm embracing everything I've learned And I'm allowing that to fuel me to have the most amazing 2025. And even though some things may not have gone according to plan, I'm letting that all go now. I'm cleaning the slate. And I am feeling so excited to start this new year afresh with possibilities, with opportunities, and with a sense of positive expectation for amazing things to come. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honour and accept every part of this beautiful journey. And I am ready for more of this. But first, I'm letting go of this year. All the things that I don't want to take into 2025. And I'm also letting go of any doubts I may have, any fears or worries about the unknown and about what's to come. I'm clearing all that away now, releasing and letting go. And instead, I choose to focus on what's possible, on miracles and magic, supportive people who will help me on my journey. I'm calling them in. And I'm allowing myself to get really clear on what my heart and soul desire for 2025 and beyond. Getting super clear on what I want my life to look like. Knowing that it's all possible. I'm calling in the abundance. I'm calling in the support. I'm calling in the love, the opportunities, and the possibilities. I'm calling in the courage to step boldly into this new year. I'm calling in the courage to help me to do things differently, to get out of my comfort zone. And above all, I choose to trust that everything is unfolding according to plan, according to divine timing. Everything is working out perfectly. Everything I desire is on its way to me. And I'm allowing myself to receive with wide open arms. And I'm allowing myself to feel into the excitement of what's to come. I'm ready for this. Feeling excited about this. Ready for the most incredible year of my life. And it begins today. I'm ready for this. In body, mind and spirit. Take a nice deep breath in. And exhale. So I'd love to know how you're feeling at the end of that round of tapping. And I want you to really feel into that excitement now, the possibility. Just take a moment now, you can pause this video and just feel into it. Just feel into the excitement of what is coming your way. And I would love to support you further. I'd love to support you on this journey. And I'd love to welcome you into the most incredible community, the Tapping into Your Big Vision members community. We've got an incredible month of stuff coming up in January, and at the end of January we're doing my 3-day vision board experience. This is 3 days to help you get crystal clear on your vision, to help you to make your best vision board ever, and then I'll be taking you on the 3rd day through my vision embodiment process. So this is 3 days. I've been doing this for well over a decade now, helping people to make the best vision boards ever. And inside the community, I'll be supporting you to help you to let go of ancestral healing, to help you heal the past, to clear old patterns, habits and stories that no longer serve you. And I'm excited to be on this journey with you. So if this speaks to you, check out all the details below and I would love to welcome you there. So all that leaves me to say is have an amazing 2025. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, share this out, and I can't wait to support you for the rest of this year. Take care. Bye for now.